farm or something.
Well, no, they're on the
Animals that got
government
away.
property. The government brought them in.
Oh, they did? I thought they
Yeah,
got
for
away
some
or something.
reason. I can't remember why they brought them in, but they did really well. So you can get in a draw. It's a once in a lifetime hunt. You can only go once. And Tom got drawn the very first time he entered.
Wow.
Well, he was going to back out. I'm glad he didn't, because he got that in January of '07. So
Well,
he'd never been able to go. Oh, I mean,
right.
he'd never gotten drawn again.
Well, probably not.
So he could have entered again if he backed out, but it just,
Who went down there with Bill?
no. Like
Are we loading that?
Yeah.
How many bullets does the clip hold?
30?
It's supposed to hold 30, but he told us to never put more than 20. I was like, okay. I don't know. They get hard.
Sweet.
When you push down there and load them all, it takes a lot more force to get them down at the end.
Yeah.
It
So
doesn't seem like it when you load it. It doesn't seem any harder when it starts than when you're putting the last one in.
did he give us a reason why you're supposed to stop at 29?